I'm Laura, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get cat scratches out of fabric furniture. I've got 3 gorgeous cats, but they have made a right mess of my sofa. So firstly, I'm starting off by using a small pair of sharp sewing scissors, just cutting off the excess bits of fabric that have been pulled out by the cat's claws, just trying to get close enough to not cause any further damage to the fabric. Once as much of the excess is removed as possible, then taking a razor, it's a 3-blade Mach 3 men's razor, and I'm literally just shaving the sofa, just doing it up and down and side to side in every direction, just to make sure that no bits are missed. Just keep going over and over. It does get some bits of fluff coming off it, so I'm just blowing those out of the razor blades and continuing on. And I'm literally just doing this until all of the bits are removed. So as you can see, you can no longer see any of the scratches from the cats. I'm amazed at the results of this. It just looks as it did when it was new. Really pleased. Please comment down below if you've tried this and it's worked, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you again soon.